Alright guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little different. Instead of working on the never-ending project of a race car, we have some work we gotta do on the old tow pig. Got some tires, I got a CCV filter I gotta do, we got fuel filters, basic maintenance because the truck's been pretty well neglected for the past year and a half while I've been trying to build the car. So yeah, we're gonna jump into that and make the truck a little happier. Which some of you might know, some of you might not know. This is the truck we pull the race cars with all over the country. It is a 2014 Ram 2500 with the 6.7 Cummins in it. And the tires are pretty well shot. I mean, they're down. And these aren't even actually the tires I had. I had a set of Firestones on it that were the OE tires. And they were so bald that, yeah, they wouldn't even hold air hardly anymore. So luckily a buddy of mine let me borrow these. And I was able to get by for a couple of months before I could buy those tires that are sitting in there now. So these are a 17-inch wheel. The truck came with 18-inch wheels, so we got those sitting in the garage. We're gonna throw them on and get to work. Snap on. All right, got two of them done at least. Don't look too bad. Had to go with the white letter out. Ryan called me an old man for it, but you know what? I like it. So I just got the fronts to do, and then we got like the rest of the maintenance we have to get done. Well, we got one casualty. If you don't bleed, you're not doing it right. At least that's what I've been told. Yeah, I'd say we definitely need to change this thing. It's pretty bad. And it's heavy. It's like soaked. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Ew. Just for comparison, that's the old one. Yep, out of the bag. That's what the new one looks like. See all the white? Yeah. Yeah, I'd say it's been due for a while. I got the CCV filter back in it and got it all put back together. Now the only thing we have left is fuel filters, and these are kind of a pain in the ass. So I like wicks. That's pretty much what I run on everything. So that's what this thing's getting. And yeah, wicks. Anyways, so we got that, and then we got the really hard part. We got some wiper blades to put on the truck, because that truck has the OEM wiper blades from when I bought it 3 years ago, and they suck. Yeah, I'd say it needed change. Ugh. filter's done, we got to reset everything. Which, as you can see, this thing usually has a Christmas tree of lights coming up. Got Sarah's tire pressure system, which that should take care of once we roll the motor or drive the truck down the road. Let's go back, go to vehicle info. So now let's start it. Why does it still say perform service? I'm gonna figure that out. Please hold. All right, got the service light off. Now the only thing I have is the TPMS sensor light on, which I don't know if you know, but in TPMS sensors, they have a little gyro in them that once you actually get above 30 miles an hour, it'll rotate that in the sensor and will cause it to actually kick on and read, but you got to drive it to do that. But yeah, I don't know what I was doing wrong with resetting the CCV filter light, but I did it 2 or 3 times and finally it worked and took it. Although it probably didn't help, I forgot to plug a sensor in before I started it, but it's fixed. So now wiper blades and drive it, and I gotta wash this damn thing. Your boy's an idiot. He put the wrong ones on each wheel. Jesus. So my buddy mounted these tires for me and marked on them which one was 80 and which one were 60. Now granted, they probably went down a little bit because they sat in the garage overnight, but yeah, I put the 80 ones on the passenger side of the truck and put the 60s on the driver's side of the truck. So now I gotta adjust tire pressure. Yeah, I don't know how I did that. He even marked them and I still screwed it up. So as I keep driving it, I guess it readjusted. Maybe I didn't screw up. All right, so now we got wheels and tires are done, filters are done. I drove it and got all the lights off except for one. So the only light that I still have on the dash is the actual check engine light, but that is because it has they call it a NOx sensor, K-N-O-X, and it's basically like an O2 sensor, but it's been out for a while. But that sensor is really expensive, so I'll probably be doing that here in the next week or so. And then I will officially not have any lights on in my dash. Anyways, now it's time to go wash it and take Instagram pictures. Well, just got back from getting it washed. Haven't detailed it or anything, but I'd say the truck looks 100% better. Still got the wheels and tires in there that I got to take back. Those, luckily I work with the guy that I borrowed those from. He's actually the guy that mounted my new ones. So yeah, I'm gonna bring those to work tomorrow, give them to him, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna detail the truck, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. A little different than what we usually do, but it was some much needed stuff. And I figured, hey, I'll throw the camera on, throw a little video together, and see how it turns out. Anyways, if y'all like the video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Y'all have a good evening.